kami po, ilan-ilang miyembro ng prosecution panel, ay humingi po kami ng pagbabasbas para tulungan kami to give us guidance, to give us strength, to give us wisdom as we work on our mission, which is to prosecute the respondent and to seek for her conviction para managot talaga siya sa ilalim ng ating salitang batas at ating mga batas. The rule of law shall prevail. We certainly hope that they will do their job impartially. Kasi yun naman talaga ang nakalagay. Even sa rules nila, they are being asked to exhibit political neutrality. Ganun po ang nakasabi mismo sa rules nila, that while sitting as senator judges, they should exercise political neutrality. In other words, nakafocus lang sila kung ano yung katotohanan, nakafocus lang sila sa pag-examine, pag-scrutinize sa ebidensya at pag-render ng tamang pasya, ng tamang judgment, irrespective of their political inclinations, irrespective of their political beliefs, irrespective of their political affiliation. They are expected to exhibit neutrality, impartiality, and high sense of justice.